What's the meaning of chip? Chip. Chip.
Chip. Chip. Chip is a small piece of semiconductor material, typically made of silicon, that contains electronic circuits and is used in electronic devices. These circuits are etched onto the chip's surface using a process called lithography. Chips are crucial components in modern technology, powering everything from smartphones and computers to cars and medical equipment. They enable fast and efficient data processing, storage, and communication. Without chips, many of the conveniences and advancements of modern life would not be possible.